D-Mark got that heat.
You lying on my name, I ain't writing on no statements. Heart so cold, had to wrap it in a blanket. Up all night, I gotta get it off the pavement. They wait until I drop, but I can't wait until I make it. Gotta keep going, ain't no way I'ma waste it. It's crazy, everybody wanna be real, but they faking. Playing with your life and about me, they gon' take it. Beat knocking, nigga, I can feel it in my soul. Raised up, nigga, tryna make it out the old. MBS gang, bitch, we throwing up the fold. Youngin' tryna maintain, ain't no way I'ma fold. If you want it, nigga, gotta grind. You playing with my niggas, then that pressure I'm applying. Scars on my body, everyone got a story. They couldn't see my vision, but I'm always 20/20. Never been a pushover, bitch, I always been a bully. Never ran from a nigga, nah, never been a pussy. Stand 10 toes down, you ain't fucking with a rookie. I'm like shit, I was down on my dick, aiming for the stars, ain't no way I'ma quit. I'm focused on my dreams, I ain't worried about a bitch. Been through what I've been through, put my soul in these beats. When you watch a thug and keep a pole in these streets, they thought I was done, but I put more on the beat. Every time I jump, I bring the stove and some heat. It took a long time, but now they know this in me. Never cap a nigga, never troll on the beat. When that pressure come around, you gon' fold like a sheet.
Yeah, they folded on me. I'm so cold, I'm so creep. Don't move slow, got some speed. That pole made them weak. Rest in peace to Lil Bro, man, I love you, fly high. We fucked up that field and now you want a shirt, why? To rest in heaven, we gon' reunite. Look around, start taking flight. Get put up just like a kite. Them niggas ain't shooting for me, act like I own some. We was in the trenches, where was you when we was low as fuck? You was talking crazy on the ground, but now you tryna duck. Know these niggas hate, but I'm the man, I bet we run it up. Ride with that Draco on the floor of the whip. I heard that boy been acting bold, but scared to come down my strip. Soon as my damn feet touch the floor, one of your mans getting hit. I want your head, that's on my soul, he better hope he don't trip. We gon' post up on your strip. Hop out with that mat, just reloaded the clip. Bitch, I'm from the O, had to clutch as a jit. Fuck my ops, can't take them for real, they not taking no risk. At the top, want them big baguettes that protect on my wrist. And she might be with me, so keep track of your bitch. Blowing out the speakers, I be snapping, they say I be lit. Blowing out this pack, some outsoles in it, now they in the wind. Thumbing through the rats, will never claim I play victim again.
D-Mark got